Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled October, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella and then some stamps and dies. So I have these two patterned papers that I created a template in Silhouette Studio and then clipped my papers to them. I'm using digital papers, and so I kind of wanted to get a mirroring effect for the background, but then obviously the clustering and the actual decoration of the page will be different. So here I'm starting with putting down the two background pattern papers, and then I can start arranging the other parts. And I always make sure I run a card along the edges of my papers to roughen them up, because I found it gives more contrast and the papers pop a little more off the page, so that everything becomes more visible. You can see, if you look at the shadows, you can see there's strong shadows. These would not be there at all if I was just using a flat piece of paper. This is one of the journaling cards that comes with the kit, and what I did is some of them have embellishments that look similar to the journaling cards in the kit, but some of them are just journaling cards, and I just resize them. So that's what I like to do when I work with a digital version. I can resize everything to fit my 4x6 project. And obviously a lot of products do have 6x6 paper pads available, but the embellishments still come in the size that matches the 12x12 projects. And so I like to have the digital version so that I can resize everything to fit perfectly my need. This tree, for example, was actually much smaller, and while I'm always a little hesitant to enlarge things, it's easier to make things smaller because it doesn't affect the quality. I do pay attention when I enlarge things if that affects the quality, but I found it was okay with this tree. And then once again, I had my, so I printed these out, and then I had my Silhouette cut these things, and I have a way that gets perfect prints and cuts every time I use my Silhouette. And so I'll put up a link to a video below that shows you how I do it, in case you want to know. It's not the way that Silhouette recommends, but I find that the way that Silhouette recommends, there's just a lot of downsides to that. I don't like that way, and so this way works perfectly for me. Here I have just a few more embellishments that I have to decide where I want to put them, and then that's my 2 pages done. I have a bunch of things lying around actually, and so I was just looking around for more. So I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.